Hey guys, Benji D here from Get Fixed. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the HDMI port off of PS4. Let's get started.
Get fixed. Let's get it.
We will be removing the bottom cover first. This is my first time tearing down a PS4. It shouldn't be that difficult, right? Anyways, what I'm going to be looking for is any types of seams or any type of screws that's sitting on the device. I'll be taking it out. Yes, let's see here. So what I'm going to be doing in today's video is I will be replacing the HDMI port on the PS4. So I'm looking for any seams there, and I could see some here. And yes, I can peel it back. All right, obviously there's something holding it. Okay, looks like there's a void warranty sticker right over here. We're going to peel that off. This is a T8 head. We're going to be trying the T8 again, but this time with that little security hole that's sitting right there at the tip of it. Yep. Okay, so now I think I'm able to take it apart. I don't see any other screws around. There is a flap over here. I'm pretty sure I could open it up. And I think the hard drive is sitting in there. I'm gonna ignore that for now and just try to pull it out. Yep, dusty. Yep, there it is. I think there's about 32 screws on the shielding of the motherboard. We're going to be removing all of them along with disconnecting all the flex cables connected to the motherboard. All right, that was a lot of screws. Now we'll just disconnect the flex cables. One, pull the flap up. Two, one more. Three. Now flip the PS4 over and remove the top cover. There's two screws here that's holding the shield on the other side. You want to remove the two screws using a T7 or T8 bit with that little security hole on it. Okay, now that the top is off, I think there's some of these screws up here holding it down. Let's see, for example, in this corner right here. See that screw? Let's try to find it on the other side. Looks like it's this one. This middle one right here is somewhere in the middle of the PS4. Right over here. There it is. Unscrew this cooling shield behind the processor. There you go. All right, it's funny. So it seems like that black section where the HDMI connects into got pushed back, and these pins that were holding it in place got pushed out of place, and it allowed it to move backwards. That's not supposed to happen. Okay, so moment of truth. Before we put everything back together, we're going to be testing it to verify that it works. I am not 100% confident that it will work, but let's see what happens. Oh. Yes, sir. Ew. Why the fuck? Yeah. There you have it, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down below. Anyways, guys, been GD here from Get Fixed, and I'm out. Peace. Let's get it.